Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel TechW. Today I'm going to show you how to fix freezing issue or not responding issue. Right? Let's do it. So the first step is going to be click on menu bar at top and left corner, go to the help tab and click on check for updates. Let's see if there is an update pending. But in my case, there's no updates available. Right? Let's close this window. Next, we'll move to the next step. So again, click on three horizontal lines and go to the preferences. You can also press Ctrl K to get into preferences. Now please open the preferences and go to tracker. So you can see here it's showing at never. So that is correct settings. That should be at never. Sometimes what happens, it will show every 2 hours or 1 hour. So you have to drag this to the right and it should be at never. Right? So that is correct. Now let's move to the next step. Click on security and enhance this security enhance, and this sandbox protection has to be unchecked. Click on yes. The third step is going to be commenting. Click on commenting here, and then you can see this option, ensure that pop-up are visible as the document is scrolled. So these options to be have to be unchecked and this option have to be unchecked. These two options both have to be unchecked, and please click on OK to apply the changes. Now close the Acrobat, restart the application, and again launch the application. Open the application Acrobat and check if it works for you after restarting the machine. Please let me know in the comment, and if it works for you, kindly like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this and have a great day.